backside of this building now. This is also so beautiful. See? Let's go there, see what's there. Fresh water. Wow, so nice. This is so nice. Water is coming from the mountains. I'll go back from here. I'll go. Let's go. I'll show you guys. See? What is the good thing here? You don't need to buy water, fresh water. Everything is organic in these countries, especially in the villages. Yeah. You see, people are going down to enjoy it. I'll go to. I love to do this hiking type things. I know video is getting longer, but if you are interested to watch, you can watch it. No problem. I have so much time. See these pathway. It's nice. Whoa. See, there's people making, as Navdeep said, पिट्ठूग्राम. और देखो तेरे लिए पिट्ठूग्राम भी इत्थे. See? Let's go up. Shit. It's like jungle. You see, if you want to go up, you can go, but yeah, see, people are wishing something and they are tying something on the trees here. I don't know. Christianity is also complicated, I think. Same, like every religion is like this, you know. You see, this jungle. Let's go back now. I will go to another side. You know, mostly why I'm speaking English. Some of my viewers are requesting for the subtitles like Shive. So that's why I'm using English mostly in my videos. But I like to make videos in my mother tongue. I get the proper feelings. But in English I don't get it. But it's fine. So everybody can watch and understand what I'm saying or not, what I'm trying to show. Let's go this way. Wow, it's nice. I'll continue this video.